Introducing the stunning 2022 Seat Arona PA 1.0 TSI 110 horsepower SE Plus 5, door in sleek black. This hatchback is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Packed with comfort and technology features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and Bluetooth phone connectivity, every drive will be a pleasure. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. But that's not all. The Seat Arona also boasts luxury trim, LED lights, privacy glass, and roof rails for added style and security. With a fuel-efficient 1-litre engine and a manual transmission, this car is both powerful and economical. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full, multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us now or visit our website at jpmg.ie for more information on how you can drive home in the Seat Arona today.